they understood. They knew they understood what we were going through and how they could help us. Early on in the project phase, when we knew we had the right partner, we were doing the right engagement, they were so professional when they showed up to those project calls. They understood how to answer our questions and guide us along the way. ClearScale is a really talented partner, not just because they're technically talented, but they're great listeners too. And you can work with them in understanding your business problems, which is really the most important thing at the end of the day. And they will navigate those technical problems as they arise because they're a supporter of your business issues and they're trying to resolve those. The ClearScale team has gotten text messages from me every day, every evening, every weekend. They've never shied away from a response anytime that I've had a question. This is a large capital project for us, and it was important that our team be hands-on in the migration to the cloud. And so having them available at our fingertips anytime we had a question or a concern, even unfounded, but they could help us navigate those concerns and mitigate any problems that may arise. They've just been terrific in responding and understanding and working with us to solve our problems.